Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to Whats ZEE. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of augmented reality, or AR for short. Ever wondered what AR really is and how it works? Stick around because I'm about to break it all down for you. Alright, let's start with the basics. Augmented reality is a technology that overlays digital content like images, sounds, or other data onto the real world. You might have seen it in apps like Pokemon Go or Snapchat filters. It's not just about gaming and social media though. AR has a huge range of applications from education to healthcare and even industrial maintenance. So how does AR actually work? At its core, Arkansas utilizes a combination of hardware and software to superimpose digital information onto our physical environment. The hardware often includes cameras, sensors, and displays, while the software processes the data and creates the AR experience. One of the key components of AR is computer vision. This technology helps AR devices understand and interpret the real world by analyzing video feed from the camera. It can recognize objects, track movements, and even gauge depth, making the digital content interact with the real world in a meaningful way. But wait, there's more. AR also uses something called simultaneous localization and mapping, or SLAM for short. SLAM helps the device understand its position in the environment and map it in real time. This is crucial for aligning digital objects with the physical world accurately. Now you might be wondering about the different types of AR. There are mainly two types, marker-based and markerless. Marker-based AR uses predefined images, like QR codes or specific patterns, to trigger the AR content. Markerless AR, on the other hand, doesn't need any predefined images. It uses the environment around you to place digital content, making it more flexible and immersive. As cool as AR is, it's constantly evolving. We're seeing advancements in AR glasses, like the Microsoft HoloLens and Magic Leap, which aim to make AR even more integrated into our daily lives. Imagine walking down the street and getting real-time information about the places and things around you. The future of AR is incredibly exciting. So there you have it, a quick dive into the world of augmented reality. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. If you have any questions or want to learn about specific AR terminologies, drop a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Whats ZEE for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.